Okay, now let's have a look at question 13. It says complete the square, hence write each quadratic in a factored form. Your answers will involve surds. And I just want to remind you, spoiler alert I guess, if I have a squared take b squared, then that comes out as a take b, a plus b. We're going to aim for that. But first of all, let's complete the square of these things. So we've got f of x or y equals x squared plus 2x take 1. I'll zoom in. Sorry, this must be like watching a handheld video or something. As usual, I have this one, f of x equals x plus 1 all squared. To take that 1 squared, take 1 at the end. F of x equals, that's x plus 1 squared, take 2. Now, this x plus 1 squared, I'm going to treat like a. And this take 2, I'm going to treat like b. Which means I'm going to get x plus 1. Oh, sorry, I need to do another step. So here, b would be the square root of 2, because I don't have 2 squared, I just have 2. But here, oh, sorry, I've done that in pink, I should match that. A is going to be x plus 1. So when I go to factorize it, I get x plus 1, which is a take root 2, x plus 1 plus root 2. Yeah, okay. Let's have a look at 13c. I think that's harder because we've got a negative out the front. 13c. So in 13c, I've got f of x equals negative x squared, take 2x plus 4, and yes, that is supposed to be a squared, I just can't write. So I'm going to take the negative out the front. So I get f of x equals negative x squared plus 2x, and then this plus 4 lives on its own. That 2x is what I'm going to halve, so I get f of x equals negative x squared plus 1 squared. No, I'd want to just normally do minus 1 squared, but I've also got this minus hanging on here, so I'm going to have to multiply it here. So that minus 1 times 1 squared plus 4 at the end. So this comes out of as x, f of x equals minus out the front of x. Oh, why did I do x squared plus 1? X plus 1 squared plus 1 plus 4. So I get f of x equals x plus 1 squared minus x plus 1 squared plus 5. I'm going to rewrite this. F of x equals 5 take x plus 1 squared. Here, my a is going to be root 5. And my b, my b is going to be x plus 1. So I'm going to have f of x equals root 5 take x plus 1, I'm keeping that in brackets for a reason, root 5 plus x plus 1. Because I'm taking all of x plus 1, which means I'm going to end up with f of x equals root 5 take x take 1, and then root 5 plus x plus 1. And that's it. I don't want to say that's easy, that's fairly difficult, but that's 13.